This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 247BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, air conditioning, skylight, TV, microwave, water heater, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 247BH is 5,392 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.